guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Orly Color Pass for this quarter. This is the holiday box. If you do not know what the Color Pass program is, it's a subscription box that Orly has that you can purchase a quarterly subscription or an annual subscription. They do have 4 boxes a year for their 4 collections, so you can either purchase each one quarterly or you can do it annually, and that's actually cheaper per box if you do it annually. And then if you have any code for $10 off, then it's even cheaper for the annual. I currently have a quarterly subscription, but I'm going to change to annual because it does save me money. But with that being said, if you are new here, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and let's get started. So the Color Pass subscription comes with 6 polishes that are in the collection, and then it comes with a couple extra products. So the box is $36 a month. And like I said, you get 6 polishes plus a couple extra products. So the price per polish ends up being a lot less than you would normally pay. So like I said, this is the holiday box and this is Metropolis. So here is the card on here. Here are the 6 polishes in the little box it comes in. They're gorgeous. And again, it's the holiday collection. So of course they're gonna have some glitters in there. And then the extra products we'll go through quickly. The first one is the Argan Oil Cuticle Drops. And I was actually really excited when I saw this because I am pretty much out of my cuticle oil, so I really needed that. I've never tried the Orly brand one, so I'm interested to see how that helps my nails. Cuticle oil is so important. I have a cuticle balm, and actually I sometimes use chapstick on my cuticles just to give them some type of moisture because it's really bad when your cuticles get dry, and my hands have been super dry along with my cuticles, so this is perfect timing for that. And then the other extra product is a set of pins actually, and this is Orly's 45th anniversary, so did not know that. Found out in this box. So you have 3 little pins in here. You have this little nail polish that says 45 years, this little Orly pin, and then this set of stars. I think these are really cute for a backpack or a makeup bag or anything like that. And it actually has a code on the bottom for 15% off. So code 45 years on your next purchase. So I thought these 2 products were really cute to add in here. Cuticle oil is always great to have. So onto the polishes. I'm going to insert all the swatches as I'm talking, so you will see those on the screen. But the first polish is Opulent Obsession, which is a dark vampy red polish. This is super, super dark, but even on camera you can see that red tint to it. It's like blood. This is a great shade for the winter time. I love wearing shades like this. And then the next one is a glitter, and this is Inexhaustible Charm, and this is a rose gold glitter. It is so pretty. I don't think I have any rose gold glitters at all, so I was really excited about this one. Love using glitters during the holidays, so this one will definitely be on my nails soon. Well, soon after Thanksgiving. Let's not get too carried away here. The next one is Untouchable Decadence, and this is just a gold glitter. I might have something similar to this one, but possibly not. I'll have to check. Both of these have pretty coarse glitters, but the ones in the gold are a little bit smaller. You will see in the swatches if they look different on the nails. At least the glitters, the colors will, but we'll see if the glitters do. Next up is Nouveau Riche. I think that's what that says. I don't know. This polish is gorgeous. It is a green chromey shade with some blue shifts in it. Again, not even sure if you're gonna see this on camera, and we will see how it looks on the nails. They actually have this on the card here. They have a little nail art tutorial with that shade, but I don't know what that other shade is. Oh, and I did not say, the inspiration for this collection is from The Great Gatsby, so fun fact there. And actually, this color combination, I think, totally fits that. Next one is Infinite Allure And this is a slate gray chrome polish, which I don't think I have any shades like this either. So this is a good one to add into my collection. I don't really wear many shades like this, so getting them in here just is an easy way for me to try out more polishes like that. And then the last one is in the Moonlight, which is, I think, a black with some silver glitters in it. It might be blue, but I think it's black. We will see how it looks on the nails. But those are the 6 polishes. I think they look really pretty together. I think it is a gorgeous collection for the holidays. You get those glitters, but then you have the dark vampy red that makes it a little different. So I love the aesthetic of the collection. And I have said before, I love Orly's formula, so I have high hopes for these. I will put any details down below from the swatches if there is anything different. If they had any issues. I don't predict them having any issues, but you never know, especially with glitters. So I will put any details down below. But that is the holiday collection. I can't wait to get these on my nails. Can't believe the holiday season is already coming up. This year is flying by, which might be a good thing because 2020 was a hot mess. So here's to 2021 being not a hot mess. There we go. But that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.